I'm Curt Frye. In this movie, I would like to show you how to get copies of images that are included in an Excel workbook. The sample file that I'm using is named Image Download, and you can get a copy of it using the link that I provide in the video description below. In this workbook, I have 3 images, and these are stock images that I downloaded from within Office, and also a shape with the text sample inside of it. And my goal is to get copies of all the images that I can from this Excel workbook and onto my hard drive. I could go through them individually, right-click, and then click Save as Picture and go through that dialog, but there's actually a faster way to do it. To demonstrate, I will close this workbook, and then in File Explorer, with the image download file, I will right-click that, and then copy and paste it. So I have a copy of image download, and I always recommend making any changes, unless you're absolutely sure that you know what you're doing, on a copy of the original file. What you might not know about Excel and other Office files is that they are actually a collection of files, and you can get at them using the zip archive. First thing to do, though, is to change the file extension on the copy of the image download file. For that, I need to display file extensions. So on File Explorer, I'll go up to the View button, or View Control, point to Show, and then click File Name Extensions. So here I have my extensions, and I always turn these on anyway. The reason is that I can see that I have a regular Excel workbook, whereas if I had a CSV file, it would be .csv. If it were macro-enabled, .xlsm, that kind of thing. So now I have image download, copy, and I will edit the file extension from XLSX to zip, ZIP or ZIP. Get a warning saying the file might not be usable. Am I sure I want to change it? Yes. This is why we work on a backup copy. And now I can act like I want to extract it. So I will right-click Image Download, and then click Extract All. I'll select a destination, and I will show extracted files when complete. Click Extract. And there I have a new folder, and within that I have an Excel folder. So I'll double-click there, and I have Media and Drawings. If I double-click Media, I get my 3 images. Now I don't get my shape. That was the one with the word sample inside of it, just a blue rectangle with rounded edges. But that's easy enough to recreate, or if I were to open up the workbook again, I could right-click it and save it as a picture. And that is how you get a copy of images from a workbook. If you only have 3, then it might make sense to copy them one at a time using Save as Picture. But if you have 20 or 30 of them, for example, small icons, then changing the file extension of a copy of the file and using the technique that I just showed you is an easier way to go. I hope you found this tip useful. If you did, please like the movie and subscribe to my channel.